Hi, this is Ira here, Monteng Costanera. Today we're gonna make pat kapaw. First, prep your garlic. Mas marami, mas masarap at mas masaya. For the fresh basil, you can use sweet basil or Thai basil. Now, fry your eggs. Mas masarap kung medyo tostado yung ilalim and runny yung yolk. Now, saute your garlic. And i-add mo na kagad doon ang iyong protein. I used pork here, ground pork, and then I seasoned it with salt and pepper. Naglagay din ako ng konting patis for that umami. And also, naglagay din ako ng oyster sauce para medyo balance yung lasa niya. And also for the color, usually kasi light or dark soy sauce yung nilalagay dito. And since wala akong fresh chili, ang ginamit ko chili flakes. And then nilagay ko na yung basil after that. Now, it's time to plate up. Siyempre, mas masarap pag white rice. And then, lagay nyo na yung pat kapaw dyan. And of course, yung fried egg.